Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually excited because I haven't done a try on haul in a little while, and this try on haul is sponsored by Boohoo. You guys, I'm so thankful that they sponsor me sometimes because I love Boohoo so much. I have spent hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands now, of my own dollars, my own money on Boohoo. Like, even though I work with them, I still shop on there on my own because I just love their items. They have such affordable fashion, especially with fashion. Like, trends are always changing, so I hate to like spend so much on an item and then like in a few months I'm just over that trend. So they keep up with all of the latest trends. There's so much variety of styles on there. Like, no matter what your style is, you're gonna find something on Boohoo that you love. Another great thing is there's always new arrivals on there. Like, literally, if you go into their new in section, I'm actually gonna leave the link to it down below, there's always new arrivals coming in, like literally every single day. And what I love as well is they're always having huge sales. So you're never gonna pay an extremely high price. You're always gonna get these pieces for a really affordable price. I'm actually gonna leave the most recent sale that they have currently down below. So this video in particular is a summer haul, but I do have a lot of spring pieces as well, I feel like, because we're kind of in spring right now, transitioning to summer. So it's kind of like a mixture. Oh, I do want to mention too that I am going to leave the links down below to everything in order, because I know that that's super helpful. Like, even when I go to like watch hauls, I always go to the description box and try to find the items, and it's just helpful that way. I'm also going to leave these sizes of every single item that I have today in the description box, because I know that's super helpful. When you're shopping online, sometimes, you know, sizes can always like, we kind of like get anxiety about it. So for those of you who are new to my channel, just for a size reference, I am 5'1" and I currently weigh about 136 pounds. So you can kind of use that if you're similar to me, or you can kind of gauge off of it. Just as like a little size reference. Also, all of the links that I do leave down below are affiliate links, which just means that I do receive a small commission if you do choose to purchase through it. So thank you guys in advance if you do choose to support me. But yeah, let's just get into it. So for the first thing that I have to share with you guys is these little cuties. Like, I've literally never been a sunglass girl. Sunnies, yeah, like I've never been like a sunnies girl, but lately, you guys, like my eyes just cannot handle the UV rays, especially while I'm driving and stuff. So I've kind of gotten into them, and there's obviously so many cute little styles. So I really wanted to try these affordable pairs before I go and spend so much money, you know. I love these. I'm honestly going to keep these in my car. They're so cute. I feel like they go with every single outfit. I'm gonna put them on to show you guys too. I don't want to ruin my makeup, but they're so lightweight that they don't give you that nose mark. So they're not going to ruin your makeup. Like, these are so cute. I love them. They're not going to ruin your makeup because, again, they're super, super lightweight. Like, I wish you guys could feel them, but they still feel really good. Like, they don't feel cheap, even though I think these were literally like $4. I love that because you can like experiment with different styles and just have fun, but not break the bank. You know what I'm saying? So the top that I'm wearing today is from Boohoo as well, and it's actually a bodysuit. I love this piece. I feel like it is just a staple. Like, you can wear this with a pair of jeans. You can wear it with what I'm wearing right now, which is some leggings that I'll show you guys. Some striped leggings. You could wear it with some shorts. You could wear it with some joggers. Like, such a staple piece. And the best part is it's so simple. It's literally just a black off the shoulder top, but it looks like you tried because it's off the shoulder. You know what I mean? Like, it has a little bit of that like sass to it. And I love how I can always accentuate my chest. Anytime I wear an off the shoulder top, I can contour my collarbone, add some shimmer like I did today. So I just love off the shoulder pieces, and I love how the sleeves are not too long too. Like, I hate when the sleeves are like all the way down here, and I'm just like, you know. I think it's because this is from the petite collection, so I don't know though. I'm not 100% sure. I'll link it down below, of course, and it's a little bit ribbed as well. So the leggings that I'm actually currently wearing are these ones, but I'm wearing them in the gray, as you guys kind of saw earlier. These are so comfortable. Like, I am 1000% gonna be like over wearing these this spring and summer. They're so like lightweight, but they're not see-through if you get your true size. So when it comes to these, I actually got, oh, this I think is a US 6 as well. These I got in a US 6, and I highly recommend getting your true size. Like, I know sometimes we want to size down just so it can be snug, but you don't want to do that with these because it's going to be see-through if you like try to stretch it out too much and just get a piece that's too tight. If you get your true size, these are so comfortable. I'm wearing them right now. They're not see-through. They're so bomb, but I will say they're pretty cropped. Like, I'm 5'1", and they're definitely cropped on me. If you're super short, like maybe 4'10", these would be like ankle, like at the ankle with you, for you. So that would be perfect. I do hope they have these in full length. I'm actually gonna search the site, and if they do, I'm totally buying them. But they're cute, like cropped, you know, for the spring and summer, so that you can still feel like not so hot. but they're super lightweight, so you're not good, they're not thick or anything, and they just have the really cute 2 stripes on the side. And again, I got this one in nude, and then I'm currently wearing the gray. I feel like the gray or the nude is gonna look so cute with just like a semi-cropped, or even a cropped if you wanted to, whatever, just a white tee. Like so simple, white tee, necklace, cute little crop leggings, some sneakers, crossbody bag. You're like cute, on the go, simple but super cute outfit. Like I don't know, I like that. It sounds good in my head, so I'm probably gonna wear that soon. I think this is super cute. Sugar Boy's behind me. I don't know if you guys can see him. Oh my goodness. Oh my good. Let's show your face. My boy. A face like this needs to be shown, Sugar Boy. Okay, well, as long as you guys know, he's behind there. Yeah, you can't really see if I stand like this. Okay, so next piece. I'm gonna go through all of the pants first because they're kind of all like piled up, so let's just do that first. I have a couple joggers. So these ones are actually a little bit on the thick side. These 3, they're a little bit on the thick side. I don't think I'll be wearing these when the weather's too hot. If you're going out at night, these are perfect, but I will not be wearing these during the day. They're thick, you know, like they're more for spring and fall and winter, but I will 100% be wearing these on those like chilly spring days. So I'm from like the GTA, Toronto, for those of you who don't know, and the weather here is so like off and on. Like one day it's extremely hot where you literally have to wear shorts, and the next day it's like has this breeze and it's kind of chilly. So I will be wearing those on those like awkward chilly spring days, you know. Anyways, they're really cute. They fit really nicely as well. So they're pretty much just their joggers. I got it in these cute blue color. I love this blue color because it looks so pretty with gray. I feel like it just looks good with my eyes, with my hair color. This color just looks good on me and I feel good in it, and I just really vibe with it. I love this color. Then I just got the classic black, which is like, you know, super, we all know what that looks like. Then I got this really pretty like super light nude in the shade Ecru. These ones are really good quality. They're super soft and they feel good. Then I got it in the gray, and I love these gray ones because these ones are not as thick. These ones are actually pretty lightweight, so I will 100% be wearing these on warmer days because they're not extremely hot. Like they're more lightweight. So then I decided to pick up a pair of mom jeans. I am always trying to find mom jeans that look good on my body shape. I feel like when it comes to like these like boyfriend mom jeans, you have to like find the perfect ones for you. So I'm always on the hunt. I actually really like these, but they definitely need to be tailored. There's a huge gap on the back, so they're just way too big on my waist, and they are a teensy bit, like the teensiest bit too tight on my butt area. Again, I just 100% need to get them tailored, but I feel like once I get them tailored, they're so cute. Like they're the perfect just super cash denim to wear with even this top right now, or just a t-shirt tucked in with your sunnies. Like just a really, you guys know I live for just like wearable casual outfits, because I mean, although it's fun to dress up, I really only do it for the gram and for the tube, because you guys know your girl don't be going to fancy events. I'm at home watching Netflix. Let's be real. So I just love casual outfits because they're, you know, I go to casual places like to the mall or to run errands or just quick shopping. So then I got this really cute top, and I feel like olive is one of those colors that I'm always just going to love because it just looks so pretty, especially with a nice little tan in the summer. Something about olive in the summer with the tan and the nice glowy makeup, it just looks so pretty. So this is super cute, wear with jeans or shorts. This one is a really pretty neon pink. And again, I just love this little cutout. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. Like so super cute, and you guys know I love pink. So then I got this because I thought this was so cute. These are so adorable, you guys. Like so pretty, especially if you're going on vacation and if you're wearing a bikini, you just want to tie this over. Or if you're going out to dinner, you can wear some really high-waisted pants. And these are just so cute. So I got it in black and white, and I will say though, I wish I got this in a size 8. I think I got these, yeah, US 6, and it's definitely just a little snug on me, so you do have to kind of, I'm typically a US 6, so I feel like for this piece you just have to size up a little bit. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's kind of like see-through. Okay, then I have the bodysuit that I'm wearing right now, and I got it in a neon pink. Oh my god, it keeps falling. Oh my god, okay, there we go. And then I got it in a neon pink. Like how adorbs. Again, just so cute. These would actually look really good with the gray sweatpants and like some white sneakers. Super cute. And it's also really comfortable too. Again, this is in a US 6. I will say though, I don't know, I'm gonna check if this is from the petite section, but the way it fits, it's super petite, meaning you have to be very short to wear this. If you are over the height of like 5'1", this is just not going to fit you properly. So you'll have to like check the regular or the tall section. So yeah, just keep that in mind because you can even see it's kind of like short, you know? Okay, then I got this super cute, this one keeps falling off the thing too. I got this super cute top just to add some spice into my life. I don't really like to wear color that often, but once in a little blue moon, especially if I'm taking photos or doing a video or something, I want like a cute little red top. I don't know, this is cute. So I also got it in black. I feel like these would look really good with shorts or jeans as well, like just a really pretty top that isn't a bodysuit. So then I got this like little semi-cropped top. I love this because it's kind of short, so I feel like that's great to wear with jeans because sometimes I don't want to wear a bodysuit, but then if you wear a top, then you still have to tuck in the top regardless. So I love how the way that this sits you, it kind of sits right at that waistband where you can still kind of wear it without having to tuck it in, or you could just tuck it in a little bit. So I just love how it's not too long, you know what I mean? Okay, so I'm just realizing now that I got a lot of black. I don't know why. I mean, black is one of my favorite colors. Anyways. I got this really cute crop top that has the like V-bar. I don't know if you guys can see it. The V-bar little neckline because it's so cute and it's so flattering. This looks really pretty with a pair of joggers. So I picked that up and this one is in a US 6. Okay, then I got these two bodysuits because they're so pretty and they're kind of in that dressy material. So what's great about these is you can actually dress them down, like if you want to throw on a pair of jeans, but you can also dress it up if you wanted to go out to dinner in them too. And I figured I would get it in the nude and then also in the black because I feel like black is just a staple and nude is just when you want to like, for me, nude is color. Nude is my color. One thing I do want to say about this too is that it's double layered, so it's not see-through and it just feels really, even though it's double layered though, it's not super thick. Like sometimes when things are double layered, it just feels so like heavy and thick on you, but this doesn't feel like that. Like it's super lightweight and it feels good, but it's still double layered enough so that it's not going to be see-through. It's a really nice, like it's just really nice quality, and the back of it is a thong as well, so that's always good. So last item I want to share with you guys, I absolutely love this. I actually already own this in black, so I was like, I need to get the gray because you guys know I love gray. I just feel like it looks really good on me. It's one of my favorite colors. So especially charcoal. So I absolutely love this. It's a Metallica tee. This is actually in a medium, and the one that I already have in my drawer, I believe it's a small. I have the black one. The small fits me really nice. It's actually not tight on me at all. It's like a loose fit. So this medium will be an oversized fit. I believe they were sold out in the small, so I picked up the medium. It's just gonna be a little bit of a looser fit. Like it's not a big deal. It's gonna look so cute. I figured I would wear this tucked in to some jeans. Super pretty. But on an everyday basis, to be honest, even if I'm running errands, I wear the black one a lot. I'll just throw it on, put on some leggings and run out the door. Like it's just a really cute t-shirt. I love it so much. I really feel like wearing my sunnies. Maybe I'll take Sugar Baby on a WALK. Remember you guys, we cannot say the full word or else he'll go crazy. Watch. Where is he? Maybe I'll take Sugar Baby for a walk. Anyways, maybe I'll take Sugar Boy for a W and I'll wear my little sunnies. I'm just realizing now that I picked up a lot of black and a lot of pink. But hey, maybe that's just my vibe right now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, I'm gonna leave everything linked down below. Boohoo is always having huge sales. Huge sales. You guys can look bad and bougie on a budget and still, you know, have your bank account not absolutely kill you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, thank you so much to Boohoo for sponsoring today's video. And of course, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.